Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Setting up a VPN on your Oculus Quest 2 isn't as straightforward as on a PC or phone. There's no native VPN app, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you two simple ways to use NordVPN with your Quest 2 for a secure private VR experience. The first method is installing NordVPN directly on your home router. Once set up, every device connected to that router, including your Quest 2, will automatically use the VPN. Not all routers support VPN setups, and not all VPN provides support router installations. So before you start, check your router's firmware and NordVPN's router compatibility list. The main drawback: every device on your network will go through the VPN, whether you want it or not, and switching VPN servers can be less convenient compared to using an app. The second method is easier for most people: sharing your VPN connection from a Windows PC. This method requires NordVPN installed and connected on your computer. Open NordVPN and select a location and click Quick Connect. This method requires NordVPN installed and connected on your PC, and it only works on Windows, not Mac. Step 1. Enable your Windows mobile hotspot. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet. If you see here, mobile hotspot, connect it. Give it a name like NordVPN and protect it with a strong password. Step 2. Open your network adapter settings and share the VPN connection from the NordVPN adapter to your mobile hotspot adapter. Step 3. Connect NordVPN to your desired server using the OpenVPN protocol. Now your hotspot routes all traffic through the VPN. Finally, connect Oculus Quest 2 to that hotspot, and just like that, you are using VPN in VR. With this setup, your Quest 2 shares the same VPN protected IP as your PC, giving you encrypted. Now, follow this process for find adapter. Go to settings, then network and internet, then Ethernet, or search here for network adapter. Click manage network and adapter settings and enable it. Private traffic for all your VR sessions. You can even verify the VPN connection by checking your IP address on any device connected to the hotspot using an online IP checker. Both methods works well. The router method is great for a whole home solution, while the Windows hotspot method gives you more flexibility. If you want a detailed step-by-step guide for router installation, I have linked one in the description. And if you are ready to try NordVPN, check out the special offer link below for the best pricing available. So now you know two easy ways to run NordVPN on your Oculus Quest 2. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method you will be trying. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.